Okay, we got the tops cut off, and now I'm gonna take my 1-inch auger bit here. It's about, I think it's about 15 inches long. So what I'm going to do is drill down just off center through the top of the post. I'm going to drill down until it gets up to, until I can tell that the drill bit is below the handrail. Because that way when I shoot my wires up underneath, I'll be able to hit that hole real easily. Okay, we just get a little bit off center right there, and usually I come a little bit more towards the front when I come off center, because it's easier to hit my wires up through that way. So, nice sharp auger bit ought to do the trick. Here we go. Alright, there's your first hole, and next we'll do the Forstner bit, which is a 2-inch Forstner bit, and I just drill down about 1 inch or so. Gives me some room to put my stuff my wires in there. So we'll do that next.